Hi, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on how to maintain your trombone slide. Now if your slide starts to stick or it feels a little bit stiff as you're playing, then you probably need to maintain it and lubricate it a little bit. So today I'm going to use some of this slide oil. Okay, so basically you won't need the bell, so you can just take that off. Okay. So all you'll need is your trombone slide, you'll need a rag or an old t-shirt or something, and you'll need some trombone slide oil. Okay. Now the slide oil can be brought from any music store or big online retailer that sells it. Okay. What you need to do is gently and carefully take out the inner slide from the main tube. Okay. Now be very careful as you take it out, because you don't want to bang it or dent it, because that can give you issues later on when you're playing. Okay. So you can see that I've got a little bit of dirt down the bottom end, so use your rag to just wipe off any of the dirt that's in place. Okay. Doesn't matter if it doesn't all come off. Okay. But just give it a nice wipe down. Okay, it hasn't all come off, but some of it has. Okay, and you'll find, don't worry if you get lots of greens and blacks and browns going on that's collected up inside. As long as you've wiped off what you can, then that's great. Okay, so we've now got our clean inner slide. Okay, so get your outer tube back. Now you can see this longer piece. Okay, here. That side of the slide is going to go into the slide where my water key is. Okay, and that way we know that that's in the right place. Now you can hear there's a bit of a scraping sound going on there. So what we're going to do, just to lubricate it, is we're going to put in a little bit of oil on there, not too much. Okay, let it run down the slide. Okay, and then move it in and out. Okay, get that slide oil working its way through. Okay, now that'll coat both sides. Okay, and that should work nice and smoothly now, so you can put your trombone back together. And we've got a nice, smooth working slide on our trombone. Okay. Keep checking back on the Entrust YouTube channel for any further updates on maintaining your instrument, and also for any additional lessons that are being delivered as part of the whole class brass ensemble. Thanks very much. See you again.